Welcome back to Sports Prophecy TV, guys. I'm your host, Jay Taylor, and we're going to focus on Group A tonight, Jamaica versus St. Kitts and the Nevis. Jamaica would want to win this game by a huge margin to basically secure that top spot in Group A. As you know, the United States, they are up by 6 goals on goal aggregate as they beat St. Kitts in their last encounter by 6 goals. However, Jamaica was able to surprise a lot of people and beat Trinidad 4-1. That leaves Jamaica with a +3 goal aggregate. However, St. Kitts is not that bad as a lot of people would think. They did do very well in the prelims. A lot of us thought that Curacao was going to be that team to come in and maybe make the group a bit tougher. But St. Kitts surprised everyone and won all their games to make it to the Gold Cup finals. No, I think Jamaica and the front three will be a little bit too much for St. Kitts as they tend to try to play this open style of football. And I think Coach Jaime Hallgrimson will exploit that. I think he already done his homework. However, I think the St. Kitts fans shouldn't be so disappointed, but try to take the positives from the Gold Cup. Nobody had them making it to the Gold Cup. So look to build on this. Look to do some better recruitment in their diaspora, and so we can have more better teams in the Caribbean. My prediction for this game, I'm going to give you that in a few seconds. I think Jamaica should not go into this game making too many changes. We should just stick to the same team and bring in Adrian Mariappa for the obvious substitution of Damian Lowe. No, Jamaica should also focus in this game. These are the games where you get carried away because you know you have the quality, and a referee can change the momentum of the game. Let's say Jamaica has 10 men on the field. Jamaica will have to defend and try to get that result, and it won't be a high scoring game. So, Jamaican players should go out there, focus, get the job done in that first half, and then the coach can start ringing in the changes. So, drum roll. Jamaica 4, St. Kitts and the Nevis 1. I think Jamaica might just lapse and St. Kitts score a goal. If it's more than that, I will be very happy. I want the game to turn out more than that, but I'm also being quite realistic. It's only 90 minutes in a football game, and a lot of things can go wrong. However, I think Jamaica will win the game because we have a lot more quality. So, Jamaica should go through to the next round. Who our next opponent will be, that's up for discussion. Let's win this game by a huge margin and put the pressure on the United States. Thank you again, guys, for tuning into Sports Prophecy. I'm your host, Jay Taylor.